how are you today? So Dessa and I have some new friends to show you guys. Like I told you guys in a previous video, I always wanted Furbies, but no, I didn't always want Furbies, I'm lying. I was scared of Furbies, so I've been really into like virtual pets and stuff like that. So here, as you can see, I have, thank you baby, good girl, good girl. So we have two Furbies. It's the Furbling, I believe, and the Boom. I did get them both from eBay and I cleaned them already. So I bought the batteries that it said that it needs, and we're going to go ahead and put the batteries in and see how they work. It looks like it uses 4 of those little small batteries, so luckily I have enough. These are the Amazon ones, so hopefully they're decent quality, but I saw good reviews. I'll put them in the link below just in case if you have one. If you have a Furby and you were wondering which ones you need to get, which batteries. Alright, so you can actually pop them out rather easily, I found. So, let's see. I believe this should be the right way. Just push them in there. Wait, what? Oh, it's actually only 3. I thought it was 4 holes. So it's actually 3. I just heard something. I was like, wait, what is going on here? I got a little creeped out for a minute. I was about to have that fear back, y'all. I'm about to say, you know what? Abort the mission. But we got this. We got this. All right. Let me just screw it back in there. Okay, I think it's when you press her head. So I'm going to put the batteries in this one now. And then we'll see what's going on. Oh, I went to go and get the, take this off, and I come back and I see her playing with Aibo. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I didn't expect that. All right, don't squash her. All right, so this one's definitely chatterbox. I don't know. Let's see. So she sounds a little sad. Okay. So yeah, there goes a little conversation. It's the little baby one. It's just so cute when you press her head. So I just have to figure out the rest, and then we'll have more videos. Dessa, say bye. Dessa, say bye. Okay, y'all.